Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do jump cuts in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. So let's say I want to divide this video up into two pieces, and I want to make a jump cut from the beginning, or from somewhere here, all the way over here. The way you can do this is, of course, you can just clip it over here, just click the scissor icon in the transform or in the cut tab, and then we're going to edit out the middle part. Let's say I want to cut from here all the way to here, just make another cut there and just remove the part in the middle. Now if I drag it over and make them align with the beginning and the end, as you can see now when I play it, it cuts to that. Now there is also another thing you can do. If you want to make the transition even smoother, you can go over into the edit tab, click on the effects button, and then go into transitions, video transitions, and then you have a couple of transitions which you can use. Let me just position it over where the cut is. Let me just find it really quickly. It's over here. Now you can add whatever you want. You can add smooth cut. For example, if I add smooth cut over the middle here, as you can see, if I play the video now, there is a smoother cut transition to that, and you can do a couple of different things as well. Let me just remove that. Whoops, I removed the entire clip. Let me just remove the transition. You can also make a zoom cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the second clip, overlay it on top there, and I'm just gonna zoom in to the actual horse's head, for example. Let me just move it there, and now what I'm going to do in transform, just zoom it in, modify the position like so, and make it like that, zoom it in a bit more, reposition it a bit more, zoom it in like that, and now if I play the clip, as you can see, it'll cut and it'll zoom into the horse. And that's pretty much what a jump cut is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.